everyone, and welcome to Daily English Point. I am Sarah.
Hi, Sarah, and hi to all our wonderful viewers. I am David. It is so great to be here with you today.
It is great to have you, David. To all our learners watching, thank you for joining us. If you want to improve your spoken English, you are in the right place.
That's right, Sarah. We focus on real, everyday English. Please remember to subscribe to Daily English Point, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Yes, your support helps us make more free English lessons for you. Today, we have a very helpful topic. We are going to talk about our daily routine.
Daily routine. That means the things we do every single day, from morning until night.
Exactly. Talking about your day is the best way to practice basic English verbs. Are you ready, David? Let's start with the morning.
I am ready.
Well, the first thing I do is wake up. My alarm rings at 6:30 in the morning.
6:30? You wake up early, Sarah. I wake up at 7:30.
After I wake up, I don't get up immediately. I stretch my arms and legs, then I get out of bed.
Get out of bed. That is a great phrase. After I get out of bed, I open the window. I like to let the fresh air in.
That is a good habit. Next, I go to the bathroom. I take a shower, brush my teeth, and comb my hair.
Take a shower and comb my hair. Those are very common daily actions. I also wash my face and brush my teeth.
After the bathroom, I go to my bedroom and get dressed.
Get dressed. That means you put on your clothes for the day.
Exactly. I choose my clothes, put on my shirt, and put on my pants. What do you do next, David?
I go to the kitchen. I am always hungry in the morning. I make breakfast.
Make breakfast. What do you usually eat?
I fry 2 eggs and make a cup of hot tea. What about you, Sarah?
I prefer a light breakfast. I eat oatmeal and drink a glass of orange juice.
Orange juice is very healthy. After breakfast, it is time to leave the house.
Leave the house. Yes. I grab my bag, put on my shoes, and lock the door.
Lock the door. Very important. Now, let's talk about commuting. Commuting means traveling to work or school. How do you go to work, Sarah?
I take the bus. I walk to the bus stop and wait for the bus.
Take the bus. Wait for the bus. Good vocabulary. I don't take the bus. I drive my car to work.
Drive my car. Is there a lot of traffic, David?
Yes, sometimes I get stuck in a traffic jam. I listen to the radio or a podcast while I drive.
Listening to podcasts is a great way to learn English. Okay, now we are at work. I work in an office. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer.
Turn on my computer. What do you do on your computer?
I check my emails. I read them and reply to them.
Check emails and reply to emails. I do that too. I also attend meetings.
Attend meetings. That is when you talk with your coworkers about work.
Exactly. Around 1 p.m., I feel hungry again. It is time to have lunch.
Have lunch. Do you go to a restaurant, David?
No, I bring a packed lunch from home. I eat a chicken sandwich. What about you?
I go out for lunch. I usually buy a fresh salad or some soup from the cafe downstairs.
Go out for lunch. That is nice. After lunch, I go back to work. I make phone calls and write reports.
Make phone calls. Write reports. We work hard until 5 p.m. Then we finish work.
Finish work. My favorite part of the day. After work, I commute back home.
But wait, sometimes we have chores or errands to do. An errand is a small trip to buy something or do a task.
Ah, yes. Sometimes I go to the supermarket. I buy groceries.
Buy groceries. That means buying food like milk, bread, and vegetables.
What do you do after work, Sarah?
I like to stay active. I go to the gym and exercise for 1 hour.
Go to the gym. Exercise. That is why you are so healthy.
Thank you, David. After the gym, I go home. When I get home, I take off my shoes and change my clothes.
Take off my shoes, change my clothes. Then it is time to relax.
Relax. Yes. I sit on the sofa and scroll through my phone.
I turn on the TV and watch the news. After resting, I make dinner.
Make dinner. What do you cook for dinner?
I like to cook rice and chicken. Sometimes I order pizza if I am too tired.
Order pizza. That is very easy. I usually cook vegetables and fish. After we eat dinner, we have to clean up.
Oh yes, I clear the table and wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes. Nobody likes washing the dishes, but we have to do it.
That is true. After the kitchen is clean, what do you do in the evening, Sarah?
I like quiet time. I read a book or I call my parents on the phone.
Call my parents. That is very sweet. I usually take my dog for a walk in the park.
Take the dog for a walk. It is nice to get some fresh air at night.
Eventually, it gets late. It is time for our night routine.
Yes, I go back to the bathroom. I brush my teeth one more time. Yes, I go back to the bathroom. I brush my teeth one more time.
Brush my teeth. Then I put on my pajamas. Pajamas are comfortable clothes for sleeping.
Put on pajamas. Finally, I get into bed. I set my alarm for the next day and I turn off the light.
Turn off the light. And then I fall asleep.
Fall asleep. Wow, David, we just talked about an entire day.
We did, Sarah. We used so many amazing everyday English words.
Let's do a quick vocabulary review for our listeners. Listen and repeat after us. Wake up.
Get out of bed.
Take a shower.
Brush my teeth.
Get dressed.
Make breakfast.
Leave the house.
Take the bus.
Drive a car.
Turn on the computer.
Check emails.
Have lunch.
Finish work.
Buy groceries.
Go home.
Make dinner.
Wash the dishes.
Put on pajamas.
Turn off the light.
Fall asleep.
We read all your comments and we love to reply.
Thank you for watching Daily English Point. Please subscribe, like, and share.
Keep practicing your English, don't worry about making mistakes, and have a beautiful day.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.
Goodbye!